Hello everyone! In today's video there will be many eggs in and out of the pots. First I will show you how I'm cooking the tender eggs and also how I colored a good batch of an ombre eggs for Easter decor and made a bread spread out of the broken ones. So follow me as I go for all those egg stories. Today is Sunday. I have to admit that Christian and I are not the big egg lovers, so we are eating just 3 eggs once a week, while in pajamas. By the way, recently we found an egg vending machine. They are selling fresh free-range eggs directly next to the farm. I hope their chickens having a happy life there. One more by the way, I'm never washing the eggs before storing. They are losing a protective barrier and can be easily contaminated. Warning, warning! So I am washing them just before cooking. And then I'm cooking my eggs a tender way. Many years ago I learned that it's enough to bring the eggs to a boil and then let them to sit in hot water for the same amount of time like one usually would cook them. I'm also lining bowls with a cupcake liners. One is absorbing the water from the eggs and another one prevents the rubbish from sticking to the bottom of the bowl, as I don't like eggshells in my plate. I guess everyone knows the rubber texture and blue yolk of overcooked eggs, so with this method I am avoiding both. The result is every single time tender eggs. Maybe only 3 eggs ago we got a funny egg cracking tool. It's not only funny to use, but surprisingly also absolutely efficient. Later on that Sunday, I colored the eggs. I wanted to try something new, because we usually had an industrial dyed ones. I found on Pinterest very simple and also very affordable and also very natural way how to color the ombre eggs using the red cabbage. So I wanted to give it a shot. All what you need: to chop a cabbage and to cook it for 45 minutes in 2 or 2.5 liters of water. During a cabbage is simmering, I separately boiled the eggs. I'm using the white ones because they are easier to color. Sure, not all eggs are surviving the cooking process in one piece, but adding a pinch of salt or a spoon of vinegar prevent them at least from running out. A little bit later I will show you my favorite recipe for those cracked eggs. At this point it is very important to remember that I need the liquid, not the solids, and to strain it into a pot, not into a sink. It makes approximately 2 liters of this broth. Note to myself: the best way were to distribute the liquid in 3 pots and then add bicarbonate soda in one, a white vinegar in another one, and to let one pot with a natural liquid. But I used too much liquid with the bicarbonate of soda and almost left without a natural one. On the other hand, not all the eggs are absorbing the color the same way, and the final result was still absolutely gorgeous. I must tell that all this alchemy didn't pass the smell test, so I relocated it into a balcony. How you are coloring the eggs? Or not at all? Leave me a comment. For various results, I took my eggs out gradually. First after 3 and then maybe after 5 hours, and the rest I let over the night. and then some I dropped quite immediately from fishing it. So I had to cook a few more eggs and add them into a vinegar mix. That way I had quite a few cooked broken eggs, so I decided to make a bread spread. I must say, it's not so easy to peel the egg, but it looks nice on the camera. For this simple recipe, all you need is just boiled eggs, grated cheese, garlic, pepper, and the mayonnaise. I've been eating a lot of it as a child. I have to say, I'm never eating the colored eggs. Somehow I can't come over the colorful fingerprints on the whites. Proportions are simple. The amount of cheese is the same like an amount of grated eggs. I just eyed it. And I used 250 milliliters of mayonnaise for 3 eggs. The one I had is with mustard grains, but milder mayonnaise tastes the same good. Can be stored for 2 or 3 days in the fridge. Yummy, yummy. And finally, I brought the eggs from the balcony. I haven't patience to wait any longer for the final result. The vinegar gave them beautiful blue color. Bicarbonate of soda made them look green, and the moss pail had the less bicarbonate soda. My skeptical husband said that
we never had such pretty eggs.
they seem to look, I don't know, probably the most friendly and peaceful. Definitely, I will be repeating it also the next year. So it wraps my today's video, and I hope you had some relaxing time with me and all those eggs. Happy Easter if you celebrating! If you liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go and click on the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Andy!